We finally have Amazon's answer to the AirPods, the echobuds. So let's take a look at what you get. Let's unbox the echobuds and let's see what that $129.99 price tag gets you. So the echobuds are Amazon's answer to the very popular wireless earbuds that we're seeing a lot more of today. And obviously they're going to have Alexa built in, but Amazon has a few other things built in as well that make these wireless earbuds very intriguing. So we're going to start off and see what you get when you order the Amazon echobuds. Obviously you get a very standard box, but let's take off this plastic and let's see what you get inside. So when you first open up the box, you're going to see the echobuds right up front, and that's it. That's all you see when you first open up the box, just the wireless earbuds, the echobuds. So let's remove the echobuds and let's see what else comes in the box. Underneath that, you're going to see a few other things. You're going to have a box that has some extra ear tips and some ear hooks, so you can remove the ear tips that are already on the wireless earbuds themselves and the ear hooks as well, and see which one fits better for you. You also get a micro USB charger, and yes, I said micro USB. I know it's 2019, but Amazon's still giving you a micro USB charger instead of a USB Type-C, which I just don't understand. You have the typical instruction guides and welcome manual that usually come with any electronic item, but we'll place those to the side because nobody reads those. Come on. So now let's take a look at the actual echobuds. Let's remove this plastic from the top, and when you finally remove that plastic, one of the first things I noticed is that this case is much larger than what I'm used to. It's a plastic case. It feels plastic. It doesn't feel very premium. You have the charging port on the left, and you have the Amazon logo up top. And on the back, you have a button which looks to be for pairing. When you open them up, you will immediately see the echobuds up top, and a light will start blinking. A blue light should be blinking when you first open them up. When you look at the earbuds themselves, they look like, well, standard earbuds, I guess. They're a little bigger than I thought they would be, but they do magnetically go into place just like AirPods do, so that they can charge up with the case. And they're just a very standard earbud design. There are some magnets when you close the case because they do magnetically close. My first impression is that the case is much larger, and when you compare it to something like the AirPods case, which I have right here, this is the original AirPods, not the AirPods Pro. It is much larger. I would say it's about double the AirPods case. It's like having two AirPods cases in one. So they are much larger, they are much thicker. So keep that in mind if you are looking to keep these in your pocket. Pairing these earbuds should be pretty easy, standard Bluetooth pairing. But you have two options. You can pair them by going into your settings and into Bluetooth and just pairing them when you open them up, which is pretty easy. But Amazon obviously suggests that you download the Amazon Alexa app and you set up the echobuds through that application, which is also pretty easy as well. When you finally do download the application and set up your account and have everything ready to go, all you do is open up the echobuds and it should be flashing blue, and it should pop up right in the application to set up the brand new echobuds. The echobuds were surprisingly easy to set up, and you can easily change your settings in the Amazon Alexa app. The echobuds come with Bose active noise reduction, but you also have the ability to change that and allow pass-through volume so that you can hear what's going on in your environment. And you have the ability to double tap the echobuds themselves and enable the Bose active noise reduction or allow the pass-through. But you can also change all of that in the settings. If you want to use a double tap to skip a song or pause the music that you're listening to, you can change all of that in the settings. And obviously I'll talk more about that in my actual review of the echobuds, so stay tuned for that. But my first impressions are, well, they're just pretty regular wireless earbuds. I am liking the Bose active noise reduction, and I'll play a little bit more with that and see how that sounds. But that was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of what you get when you purchase the echobuds. If you want to see the full review of the echobuds, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, what do you think of the echobuds? Do you prefer another wireless earbud? Are you planning on purchasing the echobuds for yourself? Let me know with a comment down below. Once again, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.